Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel Sri World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show how we can transfer file from Windows to Ubuntu or any of those Linux server using WinSCP. So let's begin. So I have a requirement. I want to transfer the file from Windows to Ubuntu or Ubuntu to Windows, but I want a tool that through which I can transfer my file. So using WinSCP, we can do that. So just what you need to do, first you need to install WinSCP, type in Chrome or any of the browser that you're using and type WinSCP, just download it. So once you download it, its UI something looks like this. So when you will open, you will see a login page. Here it's asked for the host name, port number, username and password. So this is my Ubuntu machine running. I want to first know the host name. So I can know the host name using ifconfig command. Just write ifconfig and here you will see your IP. So just copy it. You can copy it just highlighting over it and clicking on right click. So when go back and type here. Now comes the username and the password part. So just provide your Ubuntu credential, how you are logging to it. I provided mine. Just provide your credential and click on login. So here you can see on the right hand side, you can see all my folders are being present here. So when I will write ls, you can see, uh, let me go back. Here you can see all my required folder to my home is present here. So you can see airflow env, airflow log command.txt and files folder is present. So here you can see same folders are present. Then what I want to do, I want to copy my files from uh, Ubuntu to Windows. So on the left hand side, you can see all my Windows folder. So let me open it. I want to copy this file. So what you can do, just drag and drop. So here it shows download the file. Okay, click on OK. So you can see my file has been copied. So now let's open Windows Explorer and see where my file has been copied. So here you can see this is my required file. So let me open it. Let me open using Notepad itself. So here you can see this is my required file that have been copied from Ubuntu to Windows. Similarly, you can copy and transfer all your files from here, from Windows to Ubuntu. Just you need to drag and drop. So here I've copied inside Airflow folder. So here I went to Airflow folder and click on ls. So here you can see cases.csv has been copied. So let me delete. So after deletion, you can see when I refresh it, you can see the files were deleted from here as well. Then I want to save the session. So what I can do, I just provide any name to it. Let me provide Ubuntu. Okay, and click on. I may click on save and create a desktop session as well, so that what it will do every time uh, you don't need to save the password again and again. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.